From the Work tab, we're now going to assign the checklist to our team. And to do this, I click the green Create New button. I enter the location, mine is Fleet Manor. I enter the name of the team that I want to do the work. I enter the name of the checklist that I want them to complete. And finally, the schedule. And then Create New on the right-hand side. At 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, the work will be there ready for my team to complete. Now let's fast forward to tomorrow morning to complete the work. I'm now logged into the device, and we can see that the checklist is here in the Due section, and it's there because we applied a schedule to the line of work. Now I tap the checklist to see the checks, and in that list we have a number of mandatory checks to complete. And we know they're mandatory because they're represented by a blue circle. We can also see that there's an optional check, and we know it's optional because it's represented by the question mark. And let's hope the team remember that the last check has to be completed by their manager and not by them. If I complete the first check, I can see that there is some text, so that's the additional check details I entered earlier. I then press Confirm to complete the check and proceed with the rest. If I need to add any comments, then I can complete the optional comments check at the bottom and then add some text. This was our free text check that I entered earlier. And then I have to remember not to complete that last check because that's for our manager to complete. So in the ideal world, the operator will either log out or be timed out, and the manager will log in, which I'll do now. The manager can now see and pick up the checklist from the incomplete section. They can then see all of the checks that have been completed, by who and when. At the bottom is the check that they need to complete. So they select the check and then say confirm. I don't need to complete the comments box, so I just need to press I'm done. And now the completed checklist has dropped off the list of things to do. So now we've seen the checklist in action. We know our team is completing it, but how did they find using it?